This is really one of the biggest design iterations that Firefox has been through. And we've really streamlined the entire experience. A lot of controls have been moved to more logical locations.
One of the first things you'll notice about Firefox 4 is that tabs have moved to the top of the window. We did this because it provides a better visual hierarchy and it is a more natural position for tabs. We usually start out by brainstorming different directions we want to explore and figure out how we can make the browser better for you. We also have a new menu structure on Windows Vista and Windows 7. We took a look at how people use menus and we got a lot of feedback from our beta audience about how they use the product. And we found that there is a more efficient way to construct a menu than what we have been shipping in earlier product. It's a good example of us going back, looking at things that have been around forever and finding a new and better way to do things.
So a feature I'm really excited about for this release is called App Tabs. Basically you have access to your email, your calendar, any music application, just right inside of your browser, and these things are always available.
Very often get in a situation where I have too many tabs open. I know that a particular thing I'm looking for is somewhere in the tab strip, but I can't find it. Now you can just start typing and we will show you where it is.
Panorama is an experimental feature that we're shipping with Firefox 4. It's really unlike anything on the market right now. When you're using Panorama, you can organize your tabs into various groups, and it really helps you keep your online life organized. Designing in open source is a really interesting environment because people can see the work that we're doing as we're doing it. People can provide feedback and critique of the designs that we're putting out, and it's really very collaborative and iterative.
Updates for add-ons now happen automatically. You don't have to restart the browser, so it's much faster. It's in a tab rather than in a window, and there's so many other improvements to help you find add-ons that relate specifically to your interests and how you browse the web.
Sync is one of those features that once you start using it, you can't imagine a browser without it. With Sync, you have access to all of your bookmarks and passwords on every device that you use. This is particularly powerful when you're using Firefox on a mobile device.
Of course, one of the great things about Firefox is that if you didn't like the way we set something up, you can always make it your own. You can always customize the toolbar, move buttons around, and make it exactly the way you want.
So now that you've seen all of the great new features in Firefox 4, you're ready to go.
On behalf of the entire team, I hope you enjoy using Firefox 4 as much as we've enjoyed designing it.